Hello, my name is Julien and I'm here to walk you through the unboxing of your new Teracube phone. Your Teracube phone will come in packaging made of 100% recycled materials that will be sealed closed on the back of the box. You will need a box cutter to open it. Included on the top of the box is a thank you note from our founders, and on the back there is information on how to get in touch with us. Check out our QR code that you can scan that'll lead you right to our support website. Underneath the thank you card is the actual Teracube phone that is already in the provided clear plastic case and pre-shipped with one of the 2 screen protectors already attached to the screen. One thing to note is that the pre-installed one is plastic based, while the additional unit, which we'll go through later, is tempered glass. In this section, you will find the SIM card key in a small Ziploc bag, 2 screen wipes, and the additional screen protector, which is tempered glass. Should you want to replace the screen protector, use the wet wipe labeled number 1 to remove all residue, followed by dry wipe labeled number 2 to make sure the screen is dry and dust-free. Install the screen protector in a dry, dust-free environment. Under the second compartment is the third area that will hold the included earphones, a 5-volt power adapter, and the USB-C power cord for charging the phone. Just to recap, included in the box is 1 Teracube phone, a welcome card, a case, a SIM card key, 2 screen protectors, one already attached to the phone, earphones, a 5-volt power adapter, and a USB-C power cord. Should you have any questions, please feel free to visit support.myteracube.com. Thank you for viewing.